You ever catch yourself thinking, man, we were promised flying cars and robot butlers. Where's all that sci-fi stuff they teased us with? Well, they didn't lie. Turns out it's already here. It's just been quietly showing up. One Rubik's Cube solving hand, one self-charging robot, one elevator-pushing machine at a time. Let's talk about 6 updates that are honestly so bizarre, so clever, and so eerily human-like, you'll wonder why we're not the ones taking a break. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this one till the end, because update number 6, it just redefines everything we thought service robots could do. Let's get into it. Update 1, Unitree Dex 5, the hand that can solve a Rubik's Cube. So Unitree, a company that's already made waves with its robot dogs, just dropped something seriously wild, the Dex 5 robot hand. Now I know you might be thinking, okay, a robot hand? Cool, but what's the big deal? Well, silly enough. This hand isn't just moving, it's mastering. It's solving Rubik's Cubes, flipping playing cards, and even turning book pages like it's been practicing calligraphy since kindergarten. Each hand comes with 20 degrees of freedom. That's a lot of flexibility. Most impressive? It's smooth and reactive. You can even move its joints with your own hands and it follows along like it's alive. Oh, and if you want extra sensitivity, there's an option to load it with 94 tactile sensors. That's practically fingertip-level feedback. Update 02. Figure 02 gets a job at BMW. BMW isn't just building cars anymore. They're also building the future of assembly lines. They've teamed up with Figure AI to test the Figure 02 humanoid robot at their plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This isn't your typical robot arm on a rail. This thing walks, observes, picks up parts, and places them with millimeter precision. It even corrects itself if it makes a mistake, which, let's be honest, is more than most of us can say after a Monday morning. The best part? It can perform up to 1,000 placements a day and work through jobs that would normally require a human bending, stretching, and getting tired. BMW's not replacing all their robots yet, but they're clearly showing that humanoids like Figure 02 can blend right into the modern factory floor without a fuss. Update 03, Flashbot Arm, the butler that never sleeps. You ever stayed in a hotel and waited way too long for that toothbrush you forgot? Meet the Flashbot Arm from Poodoo Robotics. This semi-humanoid robot is built for real-world delivery, but now it's got arms, not just any arms, 7 degrees of freedom robotic arms with hands so nimble it can press buttons, grab objects, and even operate elevators. It navigates buildings, avoids obstacles in real time, and gets your items from lobby to room without missing a beat. Plus, it actually chats with people, naturally, not in that robotic, how may I help you today kind of way. Think more personal assistant vibes. Whether it's offices, restaurants, or hospitals, Flashbot Arm is stepping into a world that used to be designed only for humans, and it's owning it. Update 4. Magic Lab's real-world robots are already at work. Now, this one comes straight out of China's playbook for the future. A company called Magic Lab has launched not 1, but 2 next-gen service robots, Xiaomai, a humanoid, and the MagicBot Gen 3. These aren't lab demos. These robots are out in malls, doing everything from parking assistance to hairstyling and ushering guests in hotels. Yes, you heard that right, hairstyling. Xiaomai is even prepping to run in the world's first humanoid half marathon next month. Meanwhile, MagicBot has the balance and coordination to walk on unstable surfaces, fold clothes, skewer marshmallows, and even pull off a magic trick with an egg and a ball. I mean, Come on, these bots use sensors everywhere. LiDAR, RGBD cameras, fisheye lenses, so they see and understand their environment better than ever. It's real-world service with real smarts.
综合二位的喜好，为您推荐清淡的招牌菜，你们看如何？
可以。
好的，二位稍等。上菜了，小心碰撞。
OK。
哎，你还记得我们的车停哪儿了吗？
先生，您的车辆停在 B2-1区，请往左走。
谢谢啊。
Update 5, Mercedes and Apollo. The quiet takeover begins. Back to the industrial world for a sec. Mercedes-Benz is rolling out the Apollo humanoid robot from US-based Apptronic at their Berlin plant. What's special here is that this robot doesn't just sit in one place. Apollo moves around, transports components, and even does early-stage quality inspections. And get this, when its battery runs low, it finds a charger on its own. Like a Roomba, but for car factories. This isn't about replacing every job, it's about building a workforce that never calls in sick, never drops a screw, and learns directly from human guidance. Slowly, steadily, it's transforming the assembly line one Apollo at a time. Update 6, Keenon X-Man R1, Humanoid meets hotel staff. And now, the grand finale. Say hello to X-Man R1, the humanoid robot just unveiled by Keenon Robotics. This isn't just another solo bot, it's the centerpiece of a whole ecosystem. It works hand in hand with Keenon's cleaning bots, food delivery bots, and even customer service bots. X-Man R1 learns from them, collaborates, and helps direct traffic, whether that's delivering towels to your hotel room, guiding guests at a conference, or sanitizing a space without disturbing anyone. Alongside X-Man R1, Keenon also revealed its CleanBot series, from tiny models for offices to big machines for malls and airports. These things clean, vacuum, dry, and dodge obstacles like pros. It's smart, it's smooth, and it's happening now, not in 10 years.
Please tidy the table in front of you.
OK。
So there you have it, 6 incredible updates that prove humanoid robots are no longer futuristic. They're functional. They're not just about walking and talking anymore. They're working, learning, coordinating, and yeah, maybe even running marathons. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe Technology X AI for more crazy updates from the world of robotics, and share this with someone who still thinks robots are just sci-fi. The future? It's already clocked in.